Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Haitian-style salmon. First, you'll want to clean and pat dry about 1.5 pounds of salmon fillets. Next, prepare a flavorful marinade using fresh ingredients like lime juice, garlic, and a blend of herbs. This marinade is key to the authentic taste. Make sure to coat the salmon thoroughly and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or even longer for deeper flavor. Now let's cook our salmon to perfection. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully place the marinated salmon fillets in the pan. Sear them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're beautifully golden brown and cooked through. The internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal safety and texture. The heart of this dish is the rich Creole sauce. In the same skillet, if desired, sauté diced onions, bell peppers, and minced garlic until softened. Then, stir in diced fresh tomatoes and a small amount of tomato paste for depth. Add a splash of water or broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and let it cook for about 10 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together. Finally, it's time to plate and enjoy your delicious Haitian-style salmon. Carefully place the cooked salmon fillets onto your serving plates. Generously spoon that vibrant, flavorful Creole sauce right over the top of each piece. For a beautiful finish, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or cilantro. Serve this incredible dish immediately with a side of fluffy rice or fried plantains for an authentic and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.